In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play a video on OBS Studio, how to play pre-recorded videos on OBS. Let's get you set up quickly and cleanly. Start by opening OBS Studio. Make sure you're in the scene where you want the video to appear, since everything we add will live inside that scene. Look at the sources box at the bottom. Click the plus icon and choose Media Source. This is the source type that lets OBS play local video files. A window will appear for the media source. You can keep the default name or give it something descriptive so you can find it later. This opens the Media Source Properties panel where we'll configure the video. Click Browse to locate your video on your computer. Pick the file you want to play. Most common formats like MP4 and MOV work well. For smooth playback, it's best to use a file stored on a local drive rather than a network location. If you want the video to repeat continuously, enable loop. This is great for background animations, countdowns, or short clips that should never stop during your show. If you only want the video to play once, leave loop unchecked so it ends naturally. You'll also see an option called restart when source becomes active. Uncheck this if you want the video to continue from where it left off whenever you switch away from and then back to this scene. Leave it checked if you want the video to always start from the beginning every time you come back to the scene. Choose the behavior that best fits your show flow, especially if you're using scene transitions during a live broadcast. Now let's make sure you can hear the video while your audience does. In the audio mixer, find your media source, click the gear icon, and select Advanced Audio Properties. In the audio monitoring column for your media source, set it to monitor and output. This tells OBS to send the audio both to your stream and to your headphones or speakers so you can monitor it in real time. Keep an eye on the meters to avoid clipping. If it's too loud, lower the source volume in the mixer. Finally, position the video. In the preview window, click the red bounding box around the video to resize it by dragging the corners and drag it to place it exactly where you want. Align it with your other elements so it fits your scene layout. That's it. You've added your pre-recorded video, set looping and restart behavior, configured audio monitoring, and positioned it perfectly in OBS. You're ready to go live or record with confidence.